We partner with clients to manage their elevator and escalator portfolios with smart people and smarter technology. Here at Auditmate, we have over 170 years of elevator and escalator experience. And we found elevator contracts are confusing. It's them, not you. And the only folks that really understand elevators and elevator contracts work at elevator companies. But guess what? They don't own and manage buildings. You do. Over the last 2 decades, elevator and escalator maintenance has dropped significantly. On average, we see only a 50% completion rate. That means you're only getting 50% of what you're paying for. So we developed a software that audits all aspects of your service contract. Maintenance, invoices, proposals, compliance. This software alone can save you 25% on your elevator and escalator costs. But elevator contract auditing is just one piece of an overall elevator and escalator strategy. We partner with our clients to develop a strategy for long-term savings, equipment life extension, and risk mitigation. We need to make sure that your elevator is in proper working order with no outstanding maintenance or repairs. Make sure that you are in a contract that protects you and your equipment. Make sure you have accurate and holistic budgets, and then make sure that the elevator contractor is doing their job. We manage all aspects of your elevator and escalator portfolio on your behalf, saving you time, money, and headaches. It all starts with a free contract analysis. Yes, free. We want to show you what Auditmate can do for your portfolio. And you don't know what you don't know. So why not click the free contract analysis button below?